out how to create a robust incident response plan. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic for any organization: how to create a robust incident response plan. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, having a well-structured incident response plan is essential for effectively managing and mitigating security incidents. An incident response plan is a documented strategy that outlines how to detect, respond to, and recover from security incidents. Let's break down the key components you need to include to create an effective plan. 1. Incident identification. First up, incident identification. This step involves recognizing and classifying the nature of a potential security incident. An incident could be anything from a malware infection to a data breach. Make sure to set up mechanisms for continuous monitoring and alerts to quickly detect unusual activity. Define what constitutes an incident and categorize it based on severity and impact. 2. Incident response team. Next, you need an incident response team. This team should include individuals with specific roles and responsibilities for managing the incident. Your team might include roles like the incident commander, who oversees the response, the communication lead for internal and external communication, and technical experts who handle the technical aspects of the response. 3. Containment strategies. Containment strategies are crucial to limit the damage caused by an incident. This involves isolating affected systems to prevent the incident from spreading. Implement short-term containment measures to quickly address the immediate threat and long-term containment measures to address the root cause and prevent recurrence. 4. Eradication and recovery. Once the incident is contained, focus on eradication and recovery. Eradication involves removing the threat from your systems, while recovery involves restoring affected systems to normal operation. Ensure you thoroughly remove any malicious components and validate that systems are functioning correctly before bringing them back online. 5. Post-incident analysis. Finally, conduct a post-incident analysis. This step is crucial for learning from the incident and improving your response plan. To review what went well and what didn't. Document lessons learned and update your incident response plan based on these insights to strengthen your defenses. 6. Regular testing and updates. Regular testing and updates are essential to keep your incident response plan effective. Conduct periodic drills to test your team's readiness and revise your plan as needed. Simulations help identify gaps in your plan and ensure that your team is prepared to handle real incidents. Summary and key takeaways. To summarize, a robust incident response plan includes identifying incidents, assembling an effective response team, implementing containment strategies, focusing on eradication and recovery, conducting post-incident analysis, and regularly testing and updating the plan. Creating and maintaining a robust incident response plan can significantly enhance your organization's ability to handle and recover from security incidents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cybersecurity tips and insights. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Next time, we'll be discussing the future trends in cybersecurity. See you then.